Another tool that I really enjoy using is the trend line. I like to be able to just look at price and determine the high, the low, the high, the low, and then look at support and resistance between those levels. Grab your trend line and look at the bottoms and connect just the bottoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you'd like to make a copy of the trend line, hold Control and double click. You'll notice you have 3 lines or 3 dots on your line. You've made a copy. You could drag and drop this trend line wherever you like. I like creating copies of trend lines because it doesn't change the slope or the angle of my copy trend line. Everything stays the same. Support, resistance, resistance, resistance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So many points. And even if you need to make another copy, it's so easy to find other levels of support and resistance within a channel. Look at wicks. Look at support. Here's some bottoms. Here's a bottom. Here's a break. Top. Consolidation. Broken. Up, down, right? So you could just break this apart. You could analyze trend lines on currency pairs and so forth. It's so much easier than using a bunch of different indicators. Sometimes indicators are confusing, like moving averages and RSI. Sometimes they go hand in hand, but you can use them as a tool to simplify your trading. If you want to delete, just hit backspace. If you want them to reappear, hit Control-Z, like undo on a Word document. MT4 is very easy to use. On a higher time frame, let's see what we see. Maybe in a smaller amount of range, you might find something a little more steep. And we could still analyze this as a larger scale, right? So we can it's like a channel within a channel. The blue one is representing a wider scale, and the red one is a smaller scale within the larger channel. Looks like we found a strong level of support currently in this ballpark on the New Zealand dollar. Looking for a breakout or a close below the low will allow us to determine if this is a bearish market or if we're still in a bullish uptrend, and or a breakout to the upside with somewhat of a pullback to our smaller trend line or channel, and then a continuation to the upside. There are many ways to trade channels. Just make it easy.